Imagine exploring exotic destinations. Picture yourself immersing in new cultures. Traveling the world is a dream for many, but what if you could fund your adventures without being tied to a traditional job? That's the allure of passive income. Imagine sipping cocktails on a beach in Bali while your investments generate income. Robinhood, a commission-free investing app, has democratized access to financial markets. With Robinhood, you can invest in stocks, ETFs, and other assets that generate passive income. This passive income can then be used to fund your travel adventures. Imagine the freedom of knowing that your investments are working hard for you, even while you're busy exploring a new city. Get ready to unlock a world of travel possibilities with the power of Robinhood. Robinhood is more than just an app, it's your passport to the exciting world of investing. Gone are the days of complicated trading platforms and hefty commission fees. Robinhood has revolutionized the game by making investing accessible to everyone. You can invest in individual stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies, all without paying a cent in commission. Every dollar saved on fees is another dollar you can put towards your next plane ticket. Navigating the world of investing can be daunting, but Robinhood's user-friendly interface makes it a breeze. The app is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy for even the most novice investor to get started. You can easily track your investments, view real-time market data, and set up automatic recurring investments. Robinhood's intuitive design ensures that you're never more than a few taps away from managing your money. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, Robinhood provides the tools and resources you need. Imagine waking up to find extra cash in your Robinhood account every month. That's the beauty of Dividend's passive income generated from your investments. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks or ETFs, you're essentially buying a piece of a company that shares its profits with you. These dividends are typically paid out quarterly or even monthly, providing a steady stream of income that can fuel your travel dreams. With Robinhood, you can easily track your dividend payments and watch as your travel fund steadily increases. Let's bring this concept to life with some real-world examples. Imagine you're planning a backpacking trip through Southeast Asia. A monthly dividend income of $500 could easily cover your accommodation, food, and transportation expenses in countries like Thailand or Vietnam. Or perhaps you're dreaming of a European adventure. With a slightly higher dividend income, you could find yourself sipping cappuccinos in Parisian cafes or exploring ancient ruins in Rome. While dividend income from Robinhood is a fantastic way to fund your travels, it's not the only option. Freelancing is a popular choice for digital nomads, allowing you to earn income from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or virtual assistant, there are countless opportunities to find remote work that fits your skills and interests. Another option is to monetize your travel experiences through blogging, vlogging, or social media. Building your travel portfolio requires a balanced approach. In investing, this means diversifying your portfolio with assets that offer both growth and income. Think of your portfolio as a travel team. You want reliable players like dividend-paying ETFs to provide a steady stream of income. Then you add some growth stocks to boost your portfolio's long-term potential. Let's meet some of the star players in our travel portfolio, JEPQ and SCHD. These ETFs are like the seasoned travelers of the investment world, reliable, consistent, and always ready to deliver. JEPQ, the JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF, is known for its high dividend yield. It invests in a diversified basket of U.S. large-cap stocks, aiming to provide a significant portion of its returns through dividends. SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, is another solid choice for income-seeking investors. It tracks a basket of U.S. dividend-paying stocks with a history of consistent dividend growth. Now, let's add some growth potential to our portfolio with SPYI AMD and NVDA. SPYI, the Spider S&P Global Dividend ETF, offers a mix of income and growth by investing in high dividend-paying companies worldwide. AMD and NVDA, leading semiconductor companies, represent the growth potential within the technology sector. While growth stocks may not pay high dividends initially, their potential for price appreciation can significantly boost your portfolio's long-term returns. This allows you to extend your travels or even upgrade to that luxurious hotel room you've been eyeing. Budgeting for Paradise Thailand on $800 a month. Imagine trading your daily grind for pristine beaches, vibrant markets, and delicious street food. Thailand offers an incredible cost of living that makes long-term travel a reality. Accommodation in Thailand is surprisingly affordable, especially if you're open to staying in hostels or budget guest houses. Food is another highlight, with delicious street food meals costing just a few dollars. Transportation is also budget-friendly, with local buses and trains offering affordable ways to explore the country. Robinhood to the rescue, covering your travel costs. A monthly dividend income of $500 can significantly offset your travel expenses. Imagine using your dividend income to cover your accommodation costs, freeing up your budget for other experiences. Or picture yourself enjoying delicious meals at local markets, knowing that your Robinhood investments are covering your food expenses. By building a diversified portfolio with a focus on reliable dividend-paying assets, you can create a more predictable income stream to support your travels. Beyond dividends, diversifying your income streams. Freelancing offers excellent opportunities for remote work, enabling you to earn income from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, virtual assistant, or possess other in-demand skills, there are countless freelance platforms connecting you with potential clients worldwide. Another avenue is to monetize your travel passion through blogging, vlogging, or social media. By combining these income streams with your Robinhood dividends, you can create a robust financial foundation for a life of travel and freedom. The Robinhood debit card, your travel companion. Imagine landing in a new country, ready for adventure, and easily accessing your Robinhood funds directly from your phone. The Robinhood debit card makes this a reality, acting as a bridge between your investments and your travel expenses. With the Robinhood debit card, you can withdraw your dividend income from ATMs worldwide, making it incredibly convenient to manage your finances on the go. The Robinhood debit card seamlessly integrates with your Robinhood account, providing real-time transaction updates and balance inquiries. Wise conquering currency exchange with ease. Navigating foreign currency exchange can be a headache for travelers, often leading to hidden fees and unfavorable exchange rates. Enter Wise, a financial technology company that simplifies international money transfers and currency exchange. Wise offers transparent and competitive exchange rates, often beating the rates offered by traditional banks. With Wise, you can hold and manage over 50 currencies in your account, allowing you to convert and send money to various countries with ease. Surfshark, VPN, protecting your financial fortress abroad. When you're on the road, accessing public Wi-Fi networks is often unavoidable. However, these networks can pose security risks, potentially exposing your sensitive financial information to cyber threats. That's where Surfshark VPN comes in, acting as a digital shield to protect your financial fortress while you're connected to the internet abroad. Surfshark VPN encrypts your internet traffic, creating a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. This is especially crucial when you're accessing your Robinhood account, making online transactions, or managing your finances on public Wi-Fi networks. While the prospect of funding your travel adventures with Robinhood is exciting, it's crucial to acknowledge the inherent risks associated with investing. The financial market is like the open sea. It can be calm and predictable one moment, then stormy and unpredictable the next. Market volatility is the name of the game. Stock prices can fluctuate significantly, influenced by a myriad of factors such as economic news, geopolitical events, and even investor sentiment. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. While the potential for growth is enticing, it's crucial to approach investing with a long-term perspective and a healthy dose of caution. Robinhood has revolutionized investing for many, but its accessibility can vary depending on your location. Imagine planning a trip to a remote island paradise, only to discover that Robinhood's services are unavailable in that region. Before you embark on your global adventures, it's essential to check Robinhood's availability in the countries you plan to visit. Some countries may have restrictions on foreign investment platforms, while others may have different regulatory requirements. Imagine arriving at your destination and realizing you can't access your Robinhood account or execute trades due to local regulations. This can be a frustrating experience, especially if you rely on your Robinhood investments to fund your travels. Research local regulations and restrictions beforehand. A little preparation can go a long way in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. Contact Robinhood's customer support or visit their website to inquire about their services in your target destinations. They can provide valuable information about any limitations or alternative options available to you. Remember, while Robinhood can be an excellent tool for funding your travels, it's crucial to be aware of its limitations and potential risks. Baby steps to big adventures. Starting small with Robinhood. You don't need a fortune to start building your travel fund. Robinhood makes it easy to dip your toes into the investing world. Imagine starting with just $100 and watching that money grow. It's like planting a seed that can blossom into financial freedom. Don't let the world of investing intimidate you. Robinhood's user-friendly interface makes it easy for beginners. Learn about investment options and make informed decisions at your own pace. Claim your free stock. Your ticket to the investing world. Ready to embark on your investing journey? Robinhood sweetens the deal by offering a free stock when you sign up using a referral link. Imagine receiving a complimentary upgrade on your flight or a free night stay at a hotel. It's like getting a head start on your travel fund. Absolutely free. Click the link below, create your Robinhood account, and watch as a random stock, potentially from companies like Apple, Ford, or even Tesla, is added to your portfolio. It's like spinning a wheel of travel destinations and getting excited about the possibilities that await. This free stock is your ticket to the exciting world of investing. It's an opportunity to experience firsthand how the market works, track your investments' performance, and witness the potential for growth. Imagine the thrill of seeing your free stock increase in value, knowing that you've taken the first step towards funding your travel dreams. Don't miss out on this chance to jumpstart your investing journey. Claim your free stock today and unlock a world of opportunities with Robinhood. Your passport to freedom. Robinhood and the world awaits. Imagine this. You're standing at the foot of the Eiffel Tower or snorkeling in the Great Barrier Reef as a financially free traveler, empowered by passive income from your Robinhood account. Robinhood isn't just an investing app, it's a passport to freedom. Break free from the 9-to-5 grind and turn bucket list destinations into reality. Start small, dream big, and explore the world. The beauty of Robinhood lies in its accessibility. You don't need to be a Wall Street expert or a financial guru to get started. Whether you have $100 or $1,000 to invest, every dollar you commit to your travel fund is a step towards financial freedom and a life filled with exploration. Start small, dream big, and embrace the journey. Educate yourself about investing, explore different investment options, and remember that consistency is key. Just as a small snowball rolling down a hill can gain momentum and transform into an unstoppable force, your consistent investment efforts can create a snowball effect, propelling you towards your travel goals. The world is waiting to be explored. From the bustling markets of Marrakesh to the serene temples of Kyoto, from the rugged landscapes of Patagonia to the tropical paradises of the South Pacific, countless adventures await those who dare to dream and take action. So, what are you waiting for? Open your Robinhood account, claim your free stock, and start building your travel fund today. Your adventure starts now.